Welcome. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. So in the pre-market here, US markets will be opening in about, let's say, 24 minutes or so. So it's pre-market action. Markets are called slightly to open lower. And for the rest of the day, hence the reason for this video from an educational standpoint, we can actually take a look at what the cryptos are doing in the current market here. Cryptos are down. For example, Bitcoin is trading down about 3.6%. Ethereum is down about 3.5% for the day. Now, I want to show you what could determine whether we get a big down day into the close or not. And this is based on my concept, which I'm sharing with you, which I call the RSI, Muathe RSI 50 crossing. So if you take a look at the total crypto market for today, this being a daily chart, we are approaching that RSI 50. So I would say if you don't understand this concept, if you're new to this concept, you can take a look at that concept, which I call the Muathe RSI 50 crossing, because if we end up crossing below 50 for today, one can expect this down day to hold and for markets to close towards session lows. In other words, whenever you're cracking below RSI 50 on a swing trade perspective, it tends to increase the volatility with prices closing towards the lows of the session. It is the exact same thing on the opposite side when markets are moving higher. You can see here a nice up day and you close towards the highs of the session. So that's the key for today. And again, more information is going to be found via the links in the description of this video. Also, we can draw a trend line as such, which if broken is going to lead to more selling in the here and now. Oh, and by the way, I hope you are able to identify this as a potential resistance area on the daily for the total crypto market. And if you take a look at where that resistance comes from, this is something that I will also include in the description of the video, which is a concept I call the uniformity concept. If you understand it, it can be a good guide in gauging where there can be reversals in the market. So you can see that this is where we actually move lower here for the total crypto market. This is going back to the highs when Bitcoin was trading at about 69,000. So from those highs, you can see that we've come here recently and we tagged it twice, hence the recent daily highs. But for this video, what I want us to highlight here is by crossing below 50, we are opening the door for a big down day. And from a swing trade perspective, that information can help you make better timing decisions. Links are going to be in the description of this video for more information. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I leave you as I found you in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth therefore rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai. Okay, now that the video is officially over, I trust that I did provide some little bit of value. Now, if you want to follow my midweek and also my full weekend market analysis video, remember I sent a video a couple of days ago to paid clients about the market hitting some resistance. And if you trade in the US, in terms of stocks, if you trade cryptos, ETFs, and you want to find the ones that are moving with breakout momentum power, take a look at my premium website, www.muathe.com. I have a 30-day free trial. Come in and check it out. See whether it's for you. If it's not for you, that's all good as well. So again, consider taking the 30-day free trial and see whether this can help you in your timing and help you in owning the most powerful instruments in terms of US stocks and cryptos that are breaking out. And so it is. Mwah.